Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have a great video for you today. We are going to be talking about the latest EV news with Lucid Motors. I think you're going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get down into it, give me that big thumbs up, the like button. It'll keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Hit that notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos. I also have down below my link to Moomoo. They are giving the best promotion out right now using my link down below. If you open an account with any amount of money, you get 2 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. If you put up to $2,000 or more, you get 3 additional free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. I have had people write me that they received Tesla stock, now an Amazon stock as well. So please check that out down below. Also, we are going to be talking about Lucid Motor news. We have heard a lot of bad news, a lot of FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt about Lucid Motors and its battery pack. I did want to talk to you about that today. We have heard a lot of people are saying that the Lucid Air vehicle, the Dream Edition, has a battery pack of 134 kilowatt battery pack, which is not true. I am going to be talking about this today and its stock. We are going to first start by talking to you about that battery pack, and I do have an explanation for this. So far, we've had 2 companies out there that are independent companies that have reviewed the charging of the Lucid Air Dream vehicle, and right now it does have a very big news with this vehicle. So the Lucid Air is now the fastest charging electric vehicle on the market. Whenever it is compared to all the electric vehicles. So this was held previously by the Tesla Model S, which could get 50 kilowatt hours in about 15 minutes. We did have now brand new tests that the Lucid Air Dream can now get 50 kilowatts an hour in 11 minutes instead of that 15 minutes. So it did beat Tesla by 4 minutes in its charging. Also, they did compare it to the Porsche Taycan, which also can get 50 kilowatts per hour in about 23 minutes. So again, Lucid Motors overwhelmingly beat both the Porsche and the Tesla with its fastest charging. I did just want to show you this article so you can see where I'm getting this information from. This is the Green Car Reports. It is titled "The First Test Confirms that the Lucid Air charges faster than the Tesla Model S and the Porsche Taycan." So right now, this is the fastest charging system on the market. They did use Electrify America DC fast charging stations to do all of its tests. And they did deplete all the battery life of the Lucid Air Dream Edition from 0 battery life to 80% state of charge in 37 minutes, which is an incredible amount of charging to get a 0 battery all the way to 80% charge in 37 minutes. It did take another 45 minutes to get from 80 to 100%. This last 20% is very common because this differential is typical of a DC fast charging, which normally slows down significantly after 80%, regardless of which vehicle you are doing. Now, Inside EVs is the second company, in addition to this one. This is the Green Car Reports that did evaluate Lucid Motors charging, and they did get the Lucid Motor to get 300 kilowatts maximum charging power. So this is the most amount of electricity any vehicle on the market that can get right now in a single charging system. So this allowed the Lucid Air to charge its battery pack again to 50 kilowatts an hour with half the capacity of the Model S pack in just 11 minutes. So in previous tests, the Tesla Model S was the fastest charging vehicle out there that did get 15 minutes to reach 50 kilowatts. And as I have mentioned previously, the Porsche Taycan took 23 minutes to get this 50 kilowatt hour of charging. So right now there is a new king out there, which is in the charging. The Lucid Air is the fastest charging vehicle on the market. Now let's talk about its battery pack. Does Lucid Motor have a battery pack that's 134, or where did this 134 kilowatts come out? Well, this article does a great job explaining that, and we'll explain it right now. So whenever they did do this test, using the direct charge fast charging system, which is from Electrify America hardware, they did indicate that it was dispensing or giving 134 kilowatts were being delivered to the vehicle. So this is where this 134 kilowatts is being talked about YouTube, and a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt about Lucid Motors is out there because they have a battery that's 118 kilowatts. So according to this article, true 134 kilowatts was being delivered or dispensed to the vehicle, but that does not show that the Lucid Air Dream has a larger battery pack than it has 118 kilowatts. What this specifically means is there is a lot of heat loss in the cables, in the connectors, and the way that the vehicle is accepting this so much energy. So there is a lot of electricity loss. So we are losing a lot of electricity. In addition to this charging takes so much energy. It's so rapid charging system. It does use some of that electricity. It does use some of that energy to also cool down the batteries. So remember, Lucid Air is the fastest charging electric vehicle on the market. Well, to get 300 kilowatt hours in such a fast, huge dose, just think about it like this. If you were to fill up a gas tank, and, normally we fill up a gas tank at a gas station with gas nozzle. Well, can you imagine if you connected your gas to like a fire hose, which has a diameter of like this, and you're just pumping so much gasoline inside the vehicle? What's going to happen? You're going to have a lot of gasoline just spew out and get out of the tank. Exact same thing it's happening now. Whenever you use these direct current fast charging systems, you're delivering 134 kilowatts, so much fast energy, up to 300 kilowatts of electricity you're dispensing or putting inside the vehicle, which is an enormous amount. So you are going to have some wastage, or you are going to have some of that being lost. They are calling it electricity lost when charging this, when you use this very, very fast directed charging system. Right now, there are not a lot of charging systems in the world that can do this. There are only a few charging stations that do have this capability. But again, this is very good news and very important news to know for the Lucid Motor stock and the Lucid Motor Company. So right now, Lucid does have the fastest charging system out there. Using that battery, which is 118 kilowatt battery, that does have the longest range out of any electric vehicle on the market, which has 520 miles on a single charge. So I hope that helps clear things up. Now let's talk about the stock. The stock is a monster. It is doing great today. We have just had in one day alone, the stock did go up to $55.06. Up by 6.5% just today. We did start the day at a low of $51.32. We went up all the way up to $55.20 at one point in time. So we are testing the highs again, the resistance. I have been saying that the past resistance is $55.50. We are testing this. Let me just show you in the past 1 month. In the past 1 month, we've had $55.52 on November 16th was our resistance. As soon as we hit this, we did have a lot of retailers taking profits and selling off. We did retest that again on November 19th. Again, we did have sell-offs. So it looks like we are now having a consolidation. About at $47 was the last time we were at or below $50 was on November 18th. But it looks like we are having a very nice movement. Now, we are trading sideways. We did have a little bit of a bump up to $55. Let's see if we can retest and test a new high, which would now be $58. We'll definitely have to see how this week goes. But look, in the past 1 month, we are up 50.7%. In this past month, we were up on November 2nd at $35. In the past 6 months, 155% upside from now. Huge, huge growth. This has all been started with the catalyst of the deliveries of the Lucid Air Dream that did happen on October 30th, and we have just been exponentially going upward with no stop in sight. Now, this is very good for the news and for the stock. Will it keep going up? I do still think that we could have a pullback. A lot of people are telling me there's no way, Martin. I don't think that this is going to be pulling back. I definitely think that we can still have this pullback, which I highly doubt that it will go below $40, but I do think that it can get in the $45 range and up. But we'll definitely have to see, especially December 3rd, which has a lot of downward pressure on it. Now, I did just want to transition and talk to you about Wallet Investor. Wallet Investor does give LCID Lucid Group stock a valuation in the next 12 months, a forecast about roughly $71 in the next 5 years, $150. It is using technical analysis and past trading history to get this valuation. So definitely we do have very nice potentials to move our money up, especially if we are still getting this stock at $55, which is trading now. So you could still very nicely increase your money in the next 12 months. I do definitely think that we do have a correction that is needed. If we do go down, I do think that we can go under $50. I don't think that we will go under $45, but we'll definitely have to see. But the next big day is December 3rd because the United States debt ceiling is going to be expiring. The US government will need to step up and do something about this. So we'll definitely have to see. But I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned something new. Please give me that big thumbs up, the like button. Keep me alive on YouTube. If you are new to the channel, smash that subscribe button. We would love to have you part of the community. Hit the notification bell so you can get all my videos. Also, use my links down below to get that huge promotion from Moomoo. You get a free stock just for opening an account using my link down below. You can get your chance of getting that Amazon free stock that one of my viewers just got. If you deposit any amount of money into this account, you can get an additional free stock valued up to $3,500. If you deposit $2,000 or more, you will get 3 additional stocks, each valued up to $3,500. Well, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for all your support, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Have a great day.